Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be reviewing this 7x18 heavy-duty straight deck utility trailer. Here in the front, we have our standard jack and safety chains, our coupler, and our breakaway cable. There's also our trailer light connector. Right above, we have our breakaway box. The tongue of this trailer is a 5-inch C-channel tongue. It improves stability. The deck of this trailer is made of pressure treated wood. This trailer has two 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch rims and tires. The axles have a rubber grommet that is removable and regreasable. Behind the driver's side, we have our license plate light and bracket. Coming to the back, we have our reinforced loading ramp. The ramp is also spring assisted. Holding up the ramp, we have two long arm pin latches. This trailer also has LED brake lights. This trailer also has reflective tape all around. On the passenger side, this trailer has a spare tire mount for easy access. On the corners of the trailer, we have D-rings for tying down. And if y'all have any more questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you and have a great day.